I'm Sam.
Hi, I'm Jan.
Hi, I'm Kay.
Hi, I'm Bill.
Hi, I'm Dan.
And together,
We are fine!
Hi! For the next topic, can you show me which of this picture is the Zener diode? Correct. So, this is the Zener diode. Zener diodes are designed to operate in the Zener region. So, what is the Zener region? The Zener region describes the area of the performance curve of a Zener diode. So, a graph of voltage across versus current through the junction. Zener diode has two polarities. The cathode, which is the positive, and the anode, which is the negative. So, this is the schematic symbol of a Zener diode. And this is the characteristic curve of a Zener diode. And lastly, the equivalent circuit in the various operating regions of a Zener diode. So, there are two biases of Zener diode, the forward and the reverse bias. If a Zener diode is a forward bias, the current flows in the forward direction due to the voltage applied in the forward direction. So, in the forward bias, the P-type or the anode of the semiconductor is connected in the positive end, and the N-type of the cathode is connected to the negative end of the battery. So, in the reverse bias, it refers to the application of an external voltage across a semiconductor diode so that the positive terminal of the battery is linked to the N side and the negative terminal is attached to the P side of the diode. So that's it for the Zener diode. Thank you.
Hi! For the next topic is which of these two pictures you can see and which is the light emitting diode. Can you choose one? That's correct. So this is the LED or light emitting diode. They have an anode, cathode, negative, positive. So these LED are semiconductor devices that emit a light. Then electric current pass through them. They are widely used in various applications, such as light display inductors, and more LED energy efficient, durable, and come in various colors, and making it popular in many electronic devices and light features of this light emitting diode. Like I said, they have every color of shades like yellow, red, blue, white, and etc. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, which is the other types of diode. Let's zoom into the first photo, which is the laser diode. This diode, which emits laser when it is forward biased. Laser has coherent light. It means that light in phase, which is other. LEDs produce non-coherent light. Let's move on to the main use of laser diode. The main use of the laser diode is for its optic communications. Barcode readers, which is now used for the supermarkets and malls. Laser pointers, which is used in discussions, lectures, and business proposal, and etc. In the second photo, let's zoom in on the photodiode. Photodiode, whose reverse bias current is a function of a light received by the junction of the diode. It is used for safety electronics such as fire and smoke detectors. Photodiodes are used in numerous medical applications. They are used in instruments that analyze samples, detectors for computed tomography, and also used in blood gas monitors. Photodiodes are used in solar panels that is mostly used nowadays in houses and in subdivisions. In the third photo, which is the scatodiode, a diode constructed using a thin layer of metal such as in aluminum, gold, silver, and platinum, attached to a lightly doped N-type silicon. Often used in rectification, which is discussed by Sir Matt, its purpose was we all know that it converts alternating current to direct current. Moving on to the fourth photo, which is varactor diode. It is also known as varicap, a diode specifically designed to be used as a variable capacitor. It is a voltage-controlled capacitor, and they are commonly used as a voltage-controlled oscillator, parametric amplifiers, and frequency multipliers. Okay, let's move on to the last photo, which is the tunnel diode. A tunnel diode, it has a negative resistance region in which its current decreases as its voltage is increased. It is often used as a switch, amplifier, and a oscillator. That's it for my topic. Thank you.
For continuation, the other types of diode, a constant diode, also known as a constant current diode or current regulating diode, is a specialized type of diode that is designed to provide relative constant current flow to it. This commonly used in various electronics. That's current limiting, LED driver, battery changing, current basing, and current sensing. For the second one, a step recovery diode, a type of semiconductor diode that exhibit a fast switching characteristics, making it useful in high-frequency application. It also known as snap-off diode or storage diode. A step recovery diode apply in a various area including pulse generation, frequency multiplier, time domain reflectometry, frequency modulation. And the last one, a pin diode, a type of diode with an intrinsic layer of high resistivity sandwiched between a P-type semiconductor region and an N-type semiconductor region. The name pin is derived from the three regions: positive, intrinsic, and negative. It applied to variable resistance, fast switching speed, low capacitance, RF switching, RF attenuation, and photo detection. That's all. Thank you.
Hi! So for the next topic, which diagram shows the BJT configurations? Correct! So what's the meaning of BJT? BJT is also known as a bipolar junction transistor. It means it is a constructed 3-dope semiconductor region known as emitter, base, and collector. So what's the meaning of 3 common configurations? Common base is a high voltage gain and low current gain. So the next is common emitter. Common emitter is a moderate voltage gain and moderate current gain. So lastly, common collector. Common collector is a low voltage gain and high current gain. So what is the 2 types of BJT? This is the 2 types of BJT is a NPN and PNP. First, NPN. NPN is a transistor consists of dope semiconductor between P and dope layers. So PNP is a transistor contains layers of N-dope semiconductor between 2 layers of P-dope and semiconductor. So that's all about for BJT. Thank you.
Tayong 5. Ako nasa and together, we are nasabay 5.
Okay.
Gaganon kami Then sa height.
Parang Power Rangers
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi! Hi, I'm Sam.
Hi, I'm John.
Hi, I'm Ken.
Hi, I'm Bill. Hi, I'm Dan.
And together, we are...
Is a type of diode with us.
So, for the next topic, which of these two pictures? Ulit.
Ako kasi tumawa, Bill. Ay, ano? Dan, Bill, gano'n tao ulit. Gano'n kayo sa akin para di ako natatawa.
Sige nga, sige nga.
Natatawa. Hi. I'm Ken.